Okay, so we go through these answers here for the algebra. So there were simultaneous equations and there were the minus p formula questions. So we'll just go through the methods how to do them. Okay, so we get our simultaneous equation, and all that is a graph, two lines, and we want to know what the two lines meet. So we want to know the x coordinate, and we want to know the y coordinate. So that's all it is. The intersection between two lines. What point is it? So the golden rule is you either cancel the x's or the y's, and different signs. So I have a plus y and a minus y. So I probably want to cancel the y's. I want the bottom y to be minus 4y. So the only way to make it minus 4y is to multiply by minus 4. No, I don't have to multiply top line by anything, just one like itself, because that'll be 4 as well. So sometimes you generally would multiply two of them, but here you don't. So we multiply out, well, the first one, just write it down as it is. Okay, and then multiply by minus 4. So I have to multiply all the equation by minus 4. Sorry, plus 4, sorry, my fault. Okay, I didn't have to multiply minus because it's already a minus. So that'll be 12 plus 12 minus 4y. Okay, we'll fix that there. Okay, so I don't have to multiply by a minus because it's already a minus. Okay, so one's a plus, one's a minus, so I'm fine. So just multiply by 4. They'll cancel, and I'll get 14x is 42, and x equals 3. So then I substitute 3 into the equation. So we'll go back to our original. X is 3, so that's 6 plus 4y equals 26. So 4y equals 26 minus 6 is 20. So y equals 5. So my point is 3, 5. And you can always check if you're right. So you put it into any of them. So I did the top line 3x, that'd be 9 minus 5 is 4. So I know I'm right. Okay. Okay, so here again, this time they're both pluses. So let's say I'll cancel the y's. So I want the top line to be really minus 6y. So I'll multiply by minus 2. Okay, bottom line is fine. I'll leave it as it is. So it'll be minus 12x minus 6y minus 24. And then 2x plus 6y equals 14. And that'll be minus 10x gives me minus 10. So x equals 1. And I put it back in to one of the equations. If we can even, we'll just do this one. It's 6 plus so y equals 2. So my point is 1, 2. And if I try this one, 1, 2, so that'll be 2 plus 12 is 14, so I know I'm right. And this one is just an English question, still simultaneous equations. I just got to get equations going. So she says 50 student tickets and 80 parent tickets. Okay, so I just got an equation on that. Just got a spot. It's going to be simultaneous equation. We'll go S. 50 student tickets plus 80 parent tickets, P for parent, and I made 340. And then 25 the other night 2, 25 student tickets, 50 parent tickets, and made 200. Okay, so there are two equations. And again, what am I going to cancel? I'll go for the S's this time because I can make the bottom one. So the bottom line, I'm going to multiply by minus 2. Top line, I'll leave the same. So that'll be 50S plus 80P equals 340. And then that'll be minus 50S, I'm going to put minus 2, minus 100P, and minus 400. So the S's will cancel, and I'll get minus 20P equals minus 60. So I'll be saying P equals 30. Divide that. Okay, I'll put it back into the original. So we'll go 50S plus 80. P is 30. Equals 340. Okay, so 80 by 30, 2,400. Okay, so that'll be, let's make sure this is all right. So 50S plus 80P, 340, 25S, 50P, 200. Okay, multiplied by minus 2, minus 50, minus 100P, minus 100. Just double check everything's right. 50S plus 80P is 340. Cancel. So I get minus 20P equals minus 60. Oh, sorry, P will be 3. So, yeah, just watch that. Right, that's fine. And then we'll change here as well. Right. Just double check 340. Okay, so it'll be 340 and 8E by 30 is 240. Bring it over, minus 240. So that's 100. So 50S is 100. S equals 2. Just to write out. So my final answer is 2, 3. So in other words, 2 is for the student and the parent is 3. So 2 for the student. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so just always double check your answer. Last one. Okay, so that's the minus b formula. So they're in the logs. We'll just put up here. Find the roots of a quadratic. Okay, so a 2 b equals minus 4 and c equals, okay, they're all the logs, so 7, so it's minus b, so that's 4 plus or minus square root of b squared, so we'll square that now, that'll be 16 minus 4ac all over 2a, and a is 2, so that'll be 4 plus minus, so that's minus 14, that's 56, so square root of 16 plus 56, so square root of 72 all over 4, and they want to give your answer two different places, right? So just work out in the calculator. 2, okay, so it'll be 3.12 and minus 1.12. So they're my roots. The final answer.